Our goal in solving this inequality is to find the value of x, which makes the inequality true. First, let's rewrite the inequality so that the left side is only x. To do this, let's eliminate -2 in the denominator. So, we are going to multiply both sides of the inequality by -2. Here, it is important to treat both sides equally. So, when we multiply one side of the inequality by a number, we must multiply the other side by the same number. After multiplying them by -2, the left side of the inequality is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the inequality. -2 times 8 is -16. Here, it is important to change the direction of the inequality because we multiply the inequality by a negative number. So, x is less than or equal to -16. This tells us that x is all numbers less than or equal to -16. To graph this on the number line, let's shade in all the numbers to the left of -16. Then, let's put a bracket at -16 to show that the solution includes -16. Also, this can be written in interval notation. Here, we use the symbol -infinity, since there is no lower end to the solution.